Many women today are looking for ways to earn without sacrificing their peace, values, or time freedom. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home wife, a young professional, or simply someone who wants more independence, it's important to know that there are halal, balanced, and purposeful ways to earn from home or online. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 income streams that are clean, flexible, and aligned with modest, intentional living. No pressure, no hustle culture. Just simple, smart options that can support your goals quietly and confidently. 1. Service-based income. Service-based income comes from offering your skills or time. This includes virtual assistants, online tutoring, freelance design, writing, or editing. It is time for money, and usually the first step many women take when starting to earn from home. It's flexible, skill-based, and clean as long as the service itself is ethical. 2. Product-based income. This income comes from selling physical or digital products. Examples include handmade items, modest clothing, digital planners, or journals. You can sell through platforms like Etsy, your own website, or even WhatsApp groups. The product must be halal and valuable. Avoid selling anything harmful, unethical, or deceptive. 3. Freelance or project work. Freelance work includes one-time or contract-based projects. You can find work on sites like Upwork or Fiverr or directly through clients. Common freelance jobs include copywriting, managing social media, designing, or research. You're paid per project or per hour. Make sure the work stays within your moral and religious boundaries. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate income means you earn a commission when someone buys something through your recommendation. You get a special link, and if someone makes a purchase, you get a small share. This only becomes ethical when you promote useful, halal products that you trust. Avoid promoting things you wouldn't recommend to a friend or use yourself. 5. Digital products. Digital products are created once and sold multiple times. Examples include ebooks, online workshops, templates, or digital courses. You can host them on platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or Teachable. This stream is scalable, low cost, and ideal for women who want to work from home. Always provide real value. Don't copy others or use dishonest tactics. 6. Rental income. Rental income doesn't always mean owning property. You can rent a spare room, storage space, or even personal items like a camera or laptop. This income is halal as long as what you're renting is used for ethical, permissible purposes. It does not include earning money from interest-based real estate investments or mortgages. 7. Royalty income. Royalties are payments you receive for your creative work. This includes things like writing a book, designing art, creating a course, or licensing your photos or music. Each time someone downloads, uses, or accesses your work, you get paid. It's a form of passive income that's ethical and scalable. Again, make sure the content you create aligns with your values. Closing statement. These income streams can help you earn with peace of mind. You don't need to hustle endlessly. Just choose streams that suit your lifestyle, skills, and beliefs. Earning money should feel purposeful, clean, and balanced.